Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying the last line of 7th page and the first one on the 8th of the Qaida Nuraniya. This is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. Okay, so the first one is Noon, the second one is Ba, and the third one is Lam. Noon, Ba, Lam. Noon, Ba, Lam. The first letter is Ta, then Noon, then Lam. Ta, Noon, Lam. Ta, Noon, Lam. The first letter is Ba, the second one is Ya, the third one is Lam. Ba, Ya, Lam. Ba, Ya, Lam. The first letter is Ya, the second one is Ta, the third one is Lam. Ya, Ta, Lam. Ya, Ta, Lam. The first one is Tha, the second one is Tha, and the third one is Lam. Tha, Tha, Lam. Tha, Tha, Lam. The first one is Noon, the second one is Ba, the third one is Noon. Noon, Ba, Noon. Noon, Ba, Noon. The first one is Ba, the second one is Noon, the third one is Noon. Ba, Noon, Noon. Ba, Noon, Noon. The first one is Ta, the second one is Ya, the third one is Noon. Ta, Ya, Noon. Ta, Ya, Noon. The first one is Ya, the second one is Ta, the third one is Noon. Ya, Ta, Noon. Ya, Ta, Noon. The first one is Tha, the second one is Tha, the third one is Noon. Tha, Tha, Noon. Tha, Tha, Noon. This is just Jim on its own. Jim. Jim. Ha on its own. Ha. Ha. This is the end of this session. In next session, we will practice those two lines 10 times to give you in a practice, inshallah. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.